Let's check out what's happening here in the markets in Oak Island. So I pumped up a local MLS for the real estate market here in Oak Island. This is Jonathan from Keller Williams, as you can see right there. So let's look at the stats here. Number of listings. This is February, March. It went from 75 listings. We're nearing close to 200 active listings. It's a lot more listings. And also the prices, these are closed. We look at the black line from 450. Now we're getting, into the mid 500s. That's sort of the average, or half the houses are around that price. Next, the really interesting one is absorption rate. So in a seller's market, there's very little inventory. Our inventory is on its way to tripling. You can see how many months supply we have at the current pace. Also, we can see people are getting better deals. Sold to list ratio, this is what people are offering and closing on. So you can see on average, we are getting 8 to 10% off. So time to start negotiating for all the buyer agents out there. Also, days on market, this is the average days on market, not a good stat for us to look at. We look at median days, so half the houses take around, a year ago, at least half the houses took around 12 days to sell, so half sold in less than 12 days. Now half are selling in less than 17 days, so it's up 50%. So you can expect your listing to stay longer on the market. Anyways, that is your 6-month market update to give you the summer update. Take good care.